Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Powerline networking is probably one of the most convenient ways to extend your network without drilling holes or running cables. Imagine a world where you can get a stable internet connection in any room, using the existing electrical wiring in your home. This technology transforms your power outlets into network ports, offering a simple and effective solution for those struggling with Wi-Fi dead zones or inconvenient router placement. Number 5. TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Adapter Kit. Are you struggling to extend your Ethernet connection? This device is perfect for those situations where routers or range extenders fail. It utilizes your existing electrical wiring to provide a stable connection. With HomePlug AV2, it delivers AV1000 Powerline speeds. It extends your home network up to 750 feet, even through walls. It's compatible with all TP-Link Powerline adapters. Perfect for multi-story homes, basements, attics, and garages, it provides reliable wired connectivity where you need it most. It's a simple solution for expanding your network. It features a gigabit port, ensuring secure wired networks for your devices. Whether it's a desktop, smart TV, or game console, it provides a fast and stable connection. Ethernet cables are included. Setting up is easy with the plug-and-play design. Simply connect the two included Powerline adapters, and you're ready to go. No new wires or configuration is required. TP-Link is committed to advanced security. This device is designed with security as a core requirement. You can trust it to keep your network safe. What we like. This adapter offers a gigabit port for fast, reliable wired connections. It's also plug-and-play, making setup a breeze. If you're looking for a simple, energy-efficient way to extend your network, this is a great choice. What people say. They connected immediately and are working perfectly. Truly plug-and-play. The gigabit port gives fast speeds, perfect for streaming, gaming, or even powering network gear in places where Wi-Fi isn't stable. Easy setup, plug, pair, and play. Number 4. TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Adapter Kit, TL-PA7017P. Are you struggling to get a reliable Ethernet connection? This device is designed to extend your network where routers or range extenders fail. It helps you get connected. This adapter utilizes HomePlug AV2 technology, delivering fast Powerline speeds. It extends your wired network through walls and other obstacles. It is also compatible with all TP-Link Powerline adapters. This device provides a secure wired network for your devices. You can connect your desktops, smart TVs, or game consoles with the included Ethernet cables. It's a simple and effective solution. For the device to work, the adapters must be on the same electrical circuit and plugged directly into the wall. Remember that surge protectors are not compatible. The speed may vary based on wiring quality and distance. TP-Link is committed to cybersecurity. This device is designed with advanced security as a core requirement. It is built to keep your network safe and secure. Setting up is easy. Just plug in the two included Powerline adapters to create a secure network. No new wires are needed, and there is no configuration required. Remember, they must be installed in pairs. What we like. This kit includes a pass-through outlet, so you don't lose a power socket. It also features noise filtering for improved network quality. If you need to connect multiple devices and want to maintain access to your power outlet, this is the one for you. What people say. They connected immediately and are working perfectly. Truly plug-and-play. The gigabit port gives fast speeds, perfect for streaming, gaming, or even powering network gear in places where Wi-Fi isn't stable. Wired network capability without running network cable. Number 3. Tenda PH6 AV1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. This is the Tenda PH6. It utilizes the latest HomePlug AV2 technology, offering speeds up to 1000 megabits per second. This allows you to stream 4K videos and transfer large files with ease. The PH6 features a power socket pass-through, supporting up to 16A. This allows you to plug in other devices like TVs and game consoles, while still providing a network connection. Designed with a power socket that allows as high as 16A current to pass through, Tenda PH6 can supply power to TVs, games consoles, set-top boxes etc. The PH6 has a built-in noise filter. This helps to reduce electrical interference from other devices, ensuring a smoother and more stable network connection for all your multimedia needs. The PH6 is designed with intelligent power-saving features. It can save over 85% of power consumption, which also helps to extend the lifespan of the device. What we like. This product features a power outlet pass-through, so you don't lose a power socket. It also has an anti-noise filter for better network performance. If you want to ensure a stable connection while still having access to your power outlets, consider this. What people say. Have used over more than 2 years now and it still works flawlessly. The results will vary from house to house, but on my 800 megabits per second speeds I receive around 300 to 400 megabits per second on my PC and 250-300 Mbps download speeds on my PS5. Recommend for anyone looking for wired connection through the house without having to drill holes, very easy setup as well. I am happy to say it worked right out of the box, setup was a breeze. These work great. Supplying 93 megabits per second to my 2022 Roku Ultra LAN connection, Roku Ethernet is only 100 megabits per second. Number 2. TP-Link TL, WPA7517KIT, AV1000 Powerline Wi-Fi Extender. Tired of weak Wi-Fi signals? This extender uses your home's electrical wiring to boost your internet. It's perfect for reaching those hard-to-reach spots. Enjoy fast and reliable internet with speeds up to 1000 megabits per second. This device provides both wired and wireless connections, ensuring a stable connection for all your devices. Setting up is a breeze. With just a push of a button, it copies your router's settings. Any changes you make will automatically apply to the entire network. Need a wired connection? It has a gigabit Ethernet port for your desktop, smart TV, or game console. This provides a secure and fast connection. Get connected in minutes with its simple setup. Just plug it in, pair it, and you're ready to go. No configuration is required. Work seamlessly with TP-Link One Mesh routers. It creates a unified mesh network for smooth streaming as you move around your home. Enjoy uninterrupted connectivity. What we like. This device extends your network with both wired and wireless capabilities. It also supports One Mesh for seamless roaming. If you want to create a unified network with both wired and wireless connections, this is a great option. What people say. Works as intended over the 120 VAC to deliver Ethernet signal from my house to our outdoor shed office. Has a wired Ethernet port on the far end as well as the Wi-Fi. Easy to set up and could be plug and play if you use as is with no modifications to the SSID configuration. Number 1. TP-Link TL, PA9020P KIT Powerline Adapter. Are you struggling to extend your Ethernet connection? This device is perfect for those situations where routers or range extenders just won't cut it. It utilizes your existing electrical system to provide a reliable wired connection. This adapter delivers AV2000 powerline speeds, extending your home network up to 750 feet. It's ideal for multi-story homes, basements, and garages, providing a strong and stable connection where you need it most. Remember, the adapters need to be on the same electrical circuit. Also, plug them directly into the wall outlet, surge protectors won't work. Keep in mind that speeds can vary based on wiring quality and network conditions. This feature enhances stability and speed. It directs multiple simultaneous connections where they are needed, ensuring optimal performance for streaming, gaming, and working from home. This will make your online experience much better. It provides a secure wired network for all your devices, like desktops, smart TVs, and game consoles. Ethernet cables are included, and you can expand connections with an Ethernet switch if needed. It uses your existing electrical wiring to transmit Ethernet data signals, turning power outlets into Ethernet ports. This provides a wired connection without the need for new wires or drilling. TP-Link is committed to advanced security. This device is designed, built, and maintained with security as a core requirement, ensuring your network is protected. What we like. This adapter uses 2x2 MIMO technology for enhanced stability and speed. It also includes 2 gigabit ports for multiple wired connections. If you need a high-performance, multi-device solution, this is the one for you. What people say. They have a maximum speed of 2 gigabits per second, MIMO, an additional Ethernet port on the bottom of the unit and a pass-through AC in the unit itself. They have never disconnected from each other and provide a fast, stable way to distribute a signal to an area that can't receive wireless or that would benefit from the higher bandwidth of AA wired connection. Running dedicated Ethernet cables through ceilings, floors, or multiple walls is often impractical. These devices let you set up a high-performance wired network without cutting drywall or making permanent changes to your home. It's a clean, non-invasive solution that just works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.